Surrounded by 20% of the world's surface freshwater, inhabiting 139 square miles of land, Detroit has an unprecedented amount of open urban space, and it is our duty to protect these precious resources. An urban leader in CSOs for more than 20 years, we've been investing over $1.5 billion in wet weather management, and now we're working to become the front runner in green stormwater infrastructure. Every day, residents, city leaders, nonprofits, and the business community are innovating solutions to prevent untreated sewage discharge.
Managing stormwater where it falls with the use of green infrastructure prevents discharges on the Rouge River and the Detroit River of untreated sewage. The Detroit Water and Sewerage Department has funded several green stormwater infrastructure projects throughout the west side of the city of Detroit. We have 4 vacant lot bioretention projects that are beautiful gardens like you see here to manage stormwater. We also have several bioretention gardens in parks such as Stopel Park and Viola Luiso Park. We also have 2 of the first pervious streets in the city of Detroit that will manage stormwater right where it falls at the curb line. As a native Detroiter, I've watched the city change right before my eyes. Green stormwater infrastructure allows us to change the city and put it on a positive path towards production and towards growth.
With community and collaboration, we're managing thousands of acres of land and billions of gallons of stormwater.
2 ponds were existing, about 10 million gallons each. This pond here was dug about 25 million gallons. The total system can hold a 100-year storm.
We looked at various options for using the water. We found that a lot of the water we could use in our cooling towers to provide process cooling for our powerhouse and for our plant. The stormwater project resulted in a very generous credit from DWSD. For a one-time investment of about $3 million for the entire project, we save $1.5 million every year.
We're bringing together neighbors, improving water quality, and making Detroit more beautiful.
Keep Growing Detroit and Sierra Club got together and started doing rain gardens and trying to install them in different neighborhoods and teaching us how to put rain gardens in different neighborhoods. It was a 6-week training class, and we were able to put our colors together, our plants together, and we were able to design what we wanted in our front yards, and it was fun. It was amazing. Since we started working on the garden, people have started coming out and planting gardens and asking questions about flowers and what we were doing in the community. We're networking with each other, farm together, plant the garden together, and we walk together. It was a community endeavor.
We are applying our Motor City grit to create a sustainable and healthy city through green stormwater infrastructure. Our city, known for the automobile, is on the road to becoming the greenest city in America. Welcome to Detroit.